How to start in data science with Python in 8 simple steps. The first thing is you need to select the topic. It can be something like NLP, recommendation systems, computer vision, something that you want to focus on. Then you want to get the algorithm, and then you want to read the paper about this algorithm. Also, you need to select a library in Python that implements that solution. It can be, if you're in NLP, you can use Hugging Face Transformers. If you're interested in recommendation system, Microsoft Recommenders. If you're interested in computer vision, there are a lot of PyTorch related libraries. The next step is you create a Jupyter notebook where you can install all the dependencies. Then in the first part of the notebook, you explain the algorithm, maybe do like a small summary of the paper, maybe add some a graph or diagram. And then the next part is you create an example of this algorithm using a data set, and hopefully you solve a business problem. And the last part is you upload that to GitHub and share on LinkedIn, Twitter, or any other social network.